I picked something up from the cellar. I hope that's okay.
Yeah, well, that's extremely kind of you, Master Bruce, but I don't think that I'll be drinking this evening.
I'm sure it's perfectly fine to have a glass of wine occasionally, Alfred. I picked an old one. Seems a shame to let them gather dust down there.
Domaine de la Romani Conti.
It's a rather nice Burgundy, actually. It's 1966. Yeah. It's one of your father's favorites. Why not, eh? Take a pew.
That's very kind of you.
There we go.
Cheers, mate.
Now, the idea, of course, is to let it breathe for at least an hour. Or not.
Delicious. So he eventually opened his backpack and he found the bloody snake. He was waiting for all night. He didn't even flinch.
What did you do?
Oh, you know, I chopped its head off and we ate the bloody thing.
What did it taste like?
But a bit like, fast food. It wasn't horrible, was
It was
it?
horrible. It was disgusting.
So Mr. Payne, you were in the Air Force.
Special Air Service. SAS. Best soldiers in the world. If I'm being honest.
So that means covert missions.
That's right. Before a conflict that dropped us behind enemy lines, we were quiet, precise, and deadly. We never lost a man, and we always completed our missions. Except that once, I guess.
Yeah, well, that's the old war stories. Hey, Reg.
What? One time.
It was a sandstorm. We got separated. 2 of us were captured.
You?
He fought 12 of them off before they cut him down. Didn't you, Alf?
I'm here now, aren't I? That's all that matters. All right, gents. Well, I have to say, this has been absolutely lovely. I'd like to tidy up before I go to bed.
Tidy up. Mr. Yes sir, no sir. Mr. Queensbury rules and discipline.
Thank you. It's enough.
Alfred's right. It's time for bed.
Good night, Master Bruce.
Good night. Good night.
Sleep well, son.
Why are you hiding from him what you really are? Who you really are? You're a war dog, Alfie. You're a cold-blooded, lethal war dog, is what you are.
I found some fresh clothes for you, Reg. I folded them and I put them on your bed. Then I've taken the liberty of packing you a lunch for your travels tomorrow. It's been really nice to see you, Reggie.
I see them at night when I'm alone. Their faces. Faces of those we killed. Do you?
I don't have to look for them, Reg. They find me.